place that feels like a dream. A palace made of pure, shining white marble. Every wall, every pillar, every corner gleams like moonlight. The surface is smooth, royal, and timeless, a vision of elegance no one has ever seen before. A high-class, Ultra HD luxury mansion stands tall under golden light. Its grand front view stretches wide and majestic, every inch designed with perfection and purity. It feels like the home of kings, where light dances on marble and silence feels sacred. Step inside, the royal drawing room. Vast, bright, and breathtaking, crafted with flawless marble that reflects every beam of light. The textures whisper luxury. The space feels endless, a masterpiece of pure design. Move toward the kitchen, a palace within a palace, all white and radiant, where marble countertops glow like glass, and every detail shines with divine sophistication. Then, the royal bedroom, a dream carved in marble, pure and serene. Soft light pours through tall windows, touching every white surface like morning dew on snow. It's not just a room, it's a feeling, a sanctuary of peace, luxury, and perfection. This is not imagination. This is where dreams take shape. A high-class, pure white marble palace that defines